Hi, and welcome to the JVICE laboratories. Today we've got our test rig set up and we're going to be taking you through how to install the brand new 12 kilonewton connection pack from JVICE. Now this system is nothing fancy, it's just a lot faster than your traditional systems. We take it on with the built-on common sense approach, so less brackets, no nails, all screwed off, and you get a great result in record time. So we've introduced the 12K in pack. Now it's time to introduce our product development manager, Steve, and he's going to show us how to put this test rig together with our 12K in brackets. So the JVICE 12 kilonewton connection kit is a different way of doing it. It's nothing fancy, just a lot faster. We just place the bracket on one side of the pile and screw away. Just going into the first side of the pile and putting in 4 screws. So Steve's placed his first 2 brackets on. Now he's going to come on the top here and he'll put 1 bracket on this joist and 1 bracket on this joist connecting to the bearer. 4 screws in each flange, 8 screws per bracket total. So for the whole system, 32 screws, 4 brackets. So as per the specification, you'll see we got our 4 screw holes here and our 4 screws in there. So that's a wrap. As you can see, the JVICE 12 kilonewton connection pack is the common sense approach. Rather than your traditional framing systems, we just use 4 brackets, no shaving the post, 2 brackets on the pile to the bearer, and the last 2 brackets connecting the bearer to the joist, all screwed off, no nailing, huge reduction in brackets, and overall, it's nothing fancy, it's just a heck of a lot faster.